Now in this video we're going to learn the double intercept form of the equation. Actually we have to learn three types of the standard form of the equation. First, slope intercept form, another is double intercept form, and another one is normal form. Alright, so in previous video we discussed about the slope intercept form, like this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis, and if we know the slope of the line and the intercept, the x or y intercept here, just like we have this y-intercept and we know the slope, in such cases we are learning like y equals to mx plus c for the y-intercept, and for the x-intercept y equals to m times x minus d. This equation we learned for the slope intercept form, and now we are going to learn the second standard form of equation, that is double intercept form. If we are given both intercept, double intercept means we know x-intercept also and we know y-intercept also, then that time what will be the form of the equation, okay, that we are going to derive now. And it is actually like this. Let me tell you, you will finally get the answer like this: x over intercept in x-axis plus y over intercept in y-axis equals to 1. So this is our standard form of the equation for the double intercept form. Alright, but how this came, let me try to show you here by drawing a rough figure, and then I will try to explain this. Alright, suppose this is my y-axis, alright, and suppose this is my x-axis, and in this case, okay, let me suppose this is my origin, this is my x-axis positive, this is my y-axis positive. Okay, now double intercept we have, so I'm going to make a line which is making double intercept, I mean which is making in x-axis also intercept and making in y-axis also. So this line is making this x-intercept. Alright, let me suppose this x-intercept is a. Alright, the length of this part is a, so my coordinate is going to be a comma 0, and similarly let me suppose this is my y-intercept. Alright, this is my y-intercept. So this y-intercept, let me suppose this is b. Alright, so the coordinate of this point will be 0 comma b. Alright, and now I'm going to suppose any general point in this line. Let's say this is line L. In this point, let's say this is point P, whose coordinate is x comma y. Alright, so everything is given now. Let's take a look once again. We have a x-axis, y-axis, I mean we have the coordinate plane, and in this coordinate plane a line L is making two intercept, making intercept in x-axis also, which is a, and making intercept in y-axis also, which is b. Alright, and now we need to find out the equation of this line. Okay, so one thing here I want to inform you. Suppose the line L is making the angle of theta degree here with the positive x-axis, just as a slope, just in the case of slope, but we don't need here, we don't have any work of this slope, but still I want to say the slope is making theta degree. Let's suppose it. Okay, if you don't consider also it's okay, but if you remember that every time, you know, some angle is formed whenever we get a line, that line forms some kind of angle, except when it is parallel to the x-axis. Alright, so now see here we have 2 points here at the axis. Alright, the point A and the point B. So we have two line segment again. We have line segment 1, that is PA, and another line segment we have PB. Okay, so here I'm just going to write slope of line AP. Okay, so slope of line AP, see here, and slope of line PB is going to be equal. Right, slope of line PB is going to be equal, because line PA is also making angle theta, and line PB, if you extend more till x-axis, again that is also making theta, means so both are having same inclination, means both should have the same slope. That is why I equate the slope of AP is equals to slope of PB. And now slope of AP, what is the slope of AP? If we have the 2 point, then we can easily find out that is difference of y coordinate over the difference of x coordinate, right? Delta y over the delta x, difference of this y coordinate, and difference over the difference of x coordinate. And sometimes we also write like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 for the slope. Alright, this is just a formula. And now let's write the slope of AP. So slope of AP, difference of y coordinate, that is y minus 0, alright, y minus 0 over difference of x coordinate, that is x minus a. all right, x minus a. And now slope of PB, if we look again, the difference of y coordinate, that is y minus b, all right, y minus b over the difference of x coordinate, that is x minus 0, x minus 0, and it's going to be now y over x minus a is equal with y minus b over x. So now let's do the cross multiplication, xy times, it will be x times y, and now this x will multiply this y, so we'll get xy, and this x will multiply this b, so we'll get bx. And now the turn of this a will multiply this y, so we'll get minus ay, and this minus a will multiply this minus b, so we'll get plus ab. All right, now see, something is going to get cancelled, this xy and xy is getting cancelled, and we're going to have so we're going to get, now this is minus, right, so I'm writing in the right hand side bx, and this minus ay, when it will come left hand side, it will be ay, and is equal with ab. So what about dividing both sides with AB, right? I'm dividing this also by AB, this also by AB, and this also by AB. So now see what is going to happen. This B and B will cancel, this A and A will cancel, this AB and AB will cancel with 1. So finally what we're going to get, that it is x over this A plus y over this B is going to be equal with 1. So this is the required equation of the line having double intercept, having intercept in x-axis A and having intercept in y-axis B. Right, now this is what I had told you initially, right? X over A over y over B equals to 1. So keep in mind this. All right, similar question let me do here. Like suppose I just want to tell you an example. Suppose I have a problem something like this. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Let me suppose here I do have a line something like this, all right, and the line has here, the coordinate of this line is, let's say 3, 0, and the coordinate of this line, let's say 0, 4. I mean to say the intercept, the x-intercept A is equal with here 3, and y-intercept that we represent by B is equal with 4. So what will be the equation of this? So equation of this is actually x over A plus y over b equals to 1. So now what is the value of x-intercept? This is x-intercept, so this a will be replaced by the x-intercept, that is 3, so x over 3, and y over this b is the y-intercept, and b is here actually 4, so will be 4 equals to 1. So now 4 and 3 will, the LCM will be 12, so 3 times 4, that is 4x, and 4 times 3, so it is 3y equals to 1. So our equation, the equation of the line is going to be 4x plus 3y equals 12, or further if you want, then it will be 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. This is the required equation of the line having the x-intercept 3 and having the y-intercept 4. All right, in problem it's not that like every time you'll not get the positive y-intercept and positive x-intercept and positive y-intercept. Different type of the intercept you will get. Like sometimes you may get like this. Now here see, y-intercept is positive, right, while x-intercept is negative. Similarly you may get like this. Now see here, our x-intercept is negative here, and our y, x as well as y both are negative intercept. All right, so question may be different. Sometimes you may get like this. Now see here, our x-intercept is positive, right, but y-intercept is negative. So does not matter that time. If it is negative, then put negative. If it is positive, then put it like a positive. All right, you don't have to worry. So it may be positive, may be negative, but the main form of the equation is this: x over a plus y over b equals to 1. So keep this in your mind. All right, we learned till now 2 types of the formula, right? One is intercept form of the form, slope intercept, that is y equals to mx plus c, and another we learned recently, double slope intercept. All right, double intercept form, x over a plus y over b equals to 1. So these are the 2 standard form of equation, and now we're going to learn the third one. All right, that's normal form.